Hello guys, good morning. It's another awesome morning again to be here with you guys and continue with our breakfast hacks. We have something so awesome in our menu today. Yeah, like you can see the preparation here. I'm going to take you through in a short while. But before then, just a quick reminder: if you are new here and you like these videos, don't forget to like. Hit the like button, hit the subscription button, and of course the notification bell, so that you can be updated of upcoming videos as soon as they are uploaded. Yeah, and of course don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have subscribed today, leave a comment in the comment section just to let me know you have subscribed, so that I can appreciate you, okay, in the comment section. Otherwise, if you want me to prepare something that you love to know how to prepare, let me know in the comments as well, so that the next breakfast hack tomorrow, we will check on that. Okay, so thank you so much guys and welcome, and let's get started. On our menu today, we are preparing potato omelette, fried potato omelette, which is going to be so awesome. Yeah, and we've been doing potato hacks lately, and there's still so many of them to come. Today we are continuing with potato hacks, breakfasts. So we are going to prepare omelette, fried potato omelette. Yeah, so our ingredients are going to include the following. So I have here onions. I've already sliced them, so these are my onions. Then I have dania. I love dania so much because of the kind of smell and color they give to whatever you're cooking. And then of course I have eggs. I have 3 eggs here. Okay, and then I have 1 onion. Okay, one tomato. Okay, and then I have my potato here already. Part of it is already sliced. I'm going to just do one more to show you how to slice them. Yeah, so that is all for ingredients today, and we're going to get started. We're going to begin by slicing our potato into smaller pieces. So this is how you do it. You're going to slice it this way. Okay, and then after that you turn it and you do them small sizes, this way. Okay, slicing your potatoes into smaller pieces like this one here. The next step is to fry them in oil. So my sufuria is getting hot with oil, you can see that. So the next step is just to fry them. Okay. Yeah, so keep turn them until they are well fried and dry, not too hard, a little bit soft. Don't let them to turn brown, by the way. I meant just allow them to be well fried, but don't let them to be too brown, because they are going to be now like crisps, too crispy. We don't want that for this purpose. You can do that for other purposes, but not this purpose. So they are getting fried well. Just a few more seconds and you're good. Okay, so our potatoes are well fried. You can see that here. Very nicely fried. Not so hard, not well fried, but not the hard ones. Okay, like the ones for chips. So this is good. So the next step, we're now going to proceed with the next preparation. So what you do, get your eggs, okay, and then add your dania. I always like a lot of it because the smell. I love the smell of dania so much. So I use a lot of it. So mix. So if you feel it's too much more than the egg, you can always add eggs. Okay. For me, I just like it this way. But it all depends with how you love these things. Yeah, make cooking interesting according to what you like. Okay. So this is good for me. So the next step, we're going now to fry these on our pan. Okay. Okay, so my pan is ready. I have already added oil and it's getting hot under medium heat. So the next step is to add my omelette. Okay, so my mixture is here. So I'm just going to add it. So if it appears too big, you can do two. Stand it and you can see how it's nicely cooked on the base. So let's also cook the other side for a few minutes and our omelette is going to be ready. Okay, so finally we've come to the final results of our cooking today. Our omelette is ready. Fried potato omelette is very ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. See, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section so that I can help appreciate you, okay, in the comments. So thank you so much, guys, and have a good day.